Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to have a short tutorial on how to set up Mailchimp. Before we start, I'd like to mention that there's a link to a free trial of Mailchimp in the description below. So if you just scroll down to the description and click that link, it'll take you to a completely free trial of Mailchimp for you to try out. With that said, let's get on with the tutorial. So the first thing you want to do when setting up Mailchimp is add your contacts. So you can do that by going to Audience and clicking on All Contacts. So that will bring up your contact list. So I've already got a couple for today, but let's show you how you can add yours yourself. So if you go to Add Contacts here, you can either add people individually. So that'll bring you to this page where you can fill in all these details one by one, but that might be a bit slow. So you also have the option to import contacts. And the most common way that you might want to import contacts from an external place is by using a CSV file. They're one of the most common ways to format an email list of contacts. So you could upload that there. But I'm just going to exit this for now because I've already got my contacts. So if you go to All Contacts. So one thing you want to make sure that you do before you actually get to making your email campaign is just making sure that all of your contacts are ticked and are set to resubscribe, just to make sure that everyone is subscribed on your list. But all of mine are. As we can see here, your audience has 7 contacts and 7 of them are subscribers. So the next thing we're going to do is go to Campaigns. And then here is where you can create your first campaign. So we're just going to click this button here. And then we have a couple different options. We can do a landing page. We can do an automation. I'm just going to go to a regular email for today. And that'll bring us up the option of if we want to choose the new beta version of the builder or stick with classic. I'll stick with classic for today. And now that'll bring us up all of these templates we can pick from. So we've got these templates here, which are quite standard. They're very bare for you to customize however you like. So that's a bit more like starting from scratch. But if you want something a bit more developed, if you're not really sure how you want this to look and you want a bit of visual inspiration, you've also got all of these themes here to choose from. There's quite a few. For today, I'm just going to pick this one here. And that's brought up this template for us. So if we hover over the page, we can see there's all these customizable elements. So if we double click on the photo here, we have the ability to quickly change its size there. We can also replace the image by clicking here. Now, Mailchimp doesn't provide stock photos like other email marketing softwares do. But it does allow us to at least add GIFs, so I'll pick from here today. But if you were doing this yourself and wanted to add in another image, you'd have to find one yourself and upload it to my files here. So I'm just going to pick this very nice, just kind of like welcoming GIF here, and we'll just insert that. And now we've got this nice GIF at the start of our email. We can also make it just a little bit smaller, just to make it fit with the rest of the email. To change text, we can just double click on that, and that'll bring us up this editing page on the side here. So we can change the text easily just by typing, and then we can also do things like, you know, make it bold. It's got mainly the options of any word processing software would have. But I'm pretty happy with this for now, so I'm just going to go to continue. And we'll just click maybe later for that. So now that we've done a couple of the design elements of the actual email, now we can just change a couple of the settings. So first of all, I'm just going to click Edit Name and put it as Tutorial for today. So save that. We can also edit our recipients here. So I'm just going to keep mine selected as Louise for now. We can also change which email we're going to send this from, but I'm pretty happy with that for now. So we're just going to scroll down. We can also edit the subject here. So I'm just going to click Add Subject. And again, we're just going to call this Tutorial. And hit Save. And now that's all the basic things that we have to do that allows us to send. We also have a couple more options, so we can continue to edit our email here by clicking Edit Design. We can also add a social post to our campaign. We can also edit the tracking settings here. So if you had a link in your email and you wanted to see how many people had clicked that email, that's where you could do that. But I'm pretty happy with this for now, so we're just going to click Send. And now that'll send to all of our contacts. And there we go. So that's how to set up Mailchimp and do your first email campaign. So that's the tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you did, feel free to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like these. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions, you can leave them in the comment section. And before I end this video, I would like to mention that there's a link in the description below for a software that can rank your website instantly by using videos. This might be very interesting to anyone looking for more traffic and sales to their website, so make sure to check it out if that's something you might need. But yeah, that's the tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.